Welcome to the classroom. The floss rule is kind of self-evident. F, L, S. Whenever we have these sounds at the end of the word, which has only one syllable, one vowel, one usually short vowel, we are going to double the F, L, or S letter. So, call, tall, doll, one vowel. Cliff, kiss, miss, moss, whiff. Compare that to the silent E rule. How are they different? What do they tell you about the pronunciation of the vowel? Think about that. Of course, there will always be some exceptions, and those are very short words that will end in those letters, like if, yes, us, this, pal. No double ending consonant, but short vowel. You can call them exceptions. The second rule is the one that involves the consonant R when the R comes after the vowel. This vowel becomes longer, sometimes even double, a diphthong. We're going to talk about the diphthongs in the next lesson. So, cat, but car. But burn. You're going to get the cheat sheet about this in your lesson. And then finally, let's mention some vowels, because certain vowels, middle vowels, are very specific. We have a short A, like cut. A, which is kind of a front vowel, but it is open, so I put it in this group. It's very close to A. A, you open the mouth to say A, but you end up saying E, so it's A. Like cat. And then there are two sounds that are specific for the English language. One is a short A, which we call schwa, because it's the sound at the end of this schwa, A. This sound will usually come in unstressed syllables. We're going to talk about the syllables and the words in the second level. So the schwa sound will be mentioned a lot there. But now let's talk about the long It is also a very neutral sound. The whole mouth is in a neutral, relaxed position. The tongue is in a neutral and relaxed position. And we say bird, turn, burn, work, world, earth, nerd, nurse. Okay, that's enough. You got the gist. So, as you can see, all of these are specific in one same thing, and that is, you can see that they can be represented by many different letters, but there is one same situation that comes after these letters or vowels, and that is the R letter and the sound. Your task in this lesson is going to be fairly simple. You will use something like the alphabetic code that you started creating in lesson 1 to create another tongue twister. You will work alone this time. You're not going to have a lot of tasks in lesson 3, but get ready for lesson 4 to finalize your learning journey. See you then!